Maddie from Outdoor 10. Today is a special video because we are saving the bees and making a bee home. Many bumblebees like to live underground, so I'm going to build a home for them. What you'll need is a plant pot, a tube, some dry moss, a wire, a roof, and some tools, and I'll be doing some digging, my favourite part. First thing you need to do is put some holes in the tube so the water drains out, so it stays nice and dry and water free. So you gotta put the glove on the hand that you're holding the tube and do this. The bees like to stay somewhere in the shade and where it is dry. Next we need to dig a hole for the trench and dig a hole for the plant pot. Let's get going. Next you need to cut the wire and put it under the plant pot. You might need to have some help for this one because this bit's a little bit tricky. Next, you need to put the wire in the hole and bury the pipe. Next, we need to put the plant pot on top of the nest. Don't do this because it could break and it hurts. Oh, that's okay. Back over the two as well.
Yeah.
Go. Next, or last, we need to put the roof on top so the rain doesn't get through. You need to put 2 stones there, then so now we are finished and the bees have to go through. They fly there, go through there, go under a ground tunnel, go to that one. Then their home is under this, and then they go, and we have this to keep the rain coming out. Then they go back under it and go up there. Last week we scattered some seeds in the soil to make a wild meadow for the bees.